spider, or mixture of both. What is this?
Oh my God!
He eats like he is hungry for months. Unbelievably strange. Big teeth with big spider legs.
What is this cool thing? Let me pick it. Oh my gosh, I have never seen something like that.
Ever gonna happen?
Kitten tries to pick red stone, but
I don't think so.
his hand begins to change. Tiny spider patterns crawl under the skin in seconds. The same web-like veins spread across his whole body. There is huge transformation in his body. Finally, he has become Kitten's spider mutant. Big teeth, lost senses, and hungry mode are new dimensions of this hungry mutant. Now, he is taken to hospital. Doctors are checking him. Blood samples are taken for tests in advanced lab. As per results, he has got spider virus.
What has happened with me? Please help, please.
First, we carefully mix the synthesized pheromone disruptor with the inert carrier solution. Observe the color change.
Spray is systematically applied. Due to its nature, it has brought great change in mutant body. Now, he is getting normal at some level. Wow, it was not expected that Kitten will become normal after short spray. To keep watching such a wonderful content, subscribe to Funny Ties.